Alright guys, good morning or good evening. What we have here is an iPad Air 4. Okay, we have a 500 gigabytes. I'm gonna put SSD. I'm gonna put the model name in the text below so you can see what it is. I have research for everything you see here, so I can be able to transfer GoPro files into that on the go. On about 10-day trip, we're gonna be getting about 400 gigabytes, and to empty the GoPros. I used to have a laptop, all right, but a laptop is not convenience. This is convenience. Look the size of that. All right, we're talking about motorcycle, so everything has to be small and light. And actually, we can watch movies on this and go on the online and stuff like that. So it's very important everything to be compact and to work properly with the highest quality. All right, so what I have done is, okay, we have got this hub here. We're gonna be testing it today. Let me see here. I'm also gonna put the model name on that, on the Anker below, so you can find it easy. Usually I don't do unboxing, but I think this is nice for motorcycling. If it's gonna work, I'm not. I hope it's gonna work. Okay. It looks pretty good quality. It looks like wow, okay. Looks like this is an SD card, a mini SD card. Let's see what's going on here. USB-C. All right, USB-C for the tablet, for the iPad, and I don't know what that is. It looks like a mic. And it has a nice case. It's a nice clothing case. I like that. Not bad. I like that. Alright, so let's put this on the side. And let's find out online what that is. Welcome guide. Not happy, give us a call. All right, I have never used this company before, but I found good reviews and and a decent prices, so I like that. Everything comes down to a good deal. I think it's very important in life, and it's also a lot of fun shopping for a good deal. All right, so we have it like that. Okay, USB-C connector. It's okay, HDMI port, USB-C. For it's a USB-A regular. Okay, and we have an SD card. That's the 5, the big one right here. Okay, and a micro SD card on this one, and this is an audio jack. Yes, this turns white when power is connected. This one right here, HDMI, because I want to connect these on my TV or on a bigger screen. That's why I got this one. All right, not just to transport files, but this video is about how to transfer GoPro or 360 camera files or whatever you guys have in to the hard drive without a problem and keep the highest quality. All right, let's give it a try. All right, so let's see if I have to remove the case or not. Probably have to remove the case. It's okay. All right, so this is basically, I'm on a website, looks like it's been sold out. Okay, it has exactly the same iPad. You see, we wiki connected with a monitor, 6 ports, 60 watt. All right, so let's put it in. And as we can see, the light here is blinking white. Right here, it blinked like about 2-3 times. All right, so let's see if it's gonna read the drive. All right, so I'm transferring 25 gigabytes, okay, into the SD card. As we can see it from the hard drive on a USB-C port, and then we're going to transfer the same amount into the external hard drive, the Samsung, from the iPad, from the hub. Alright, looks like the speed is 66 to, around 50 to 70 megabytes per second. Alright, I'm gonna stop it when we get to like 50%, so we estimate approximately. We are getting close now. Okay, so it looks like 3 minutes in 50%. So 6 minutes for 25 gigabytes. Okay, so let's go outside. Look how the weather is changing. Beautiful sunny, and now we have some dark cumulus clouds. Oh, we're not gonna get rain. So, okay, so the USB-C port is for charging. Okay, because it will not take the hard drive. It will not recognize it. Okay, so I got the 25 gigabytes here. All right, what you need to do is you get an adapter. If you have a hard drive like that, it comes with it. All right, USB-C to USB-A, and then it will recognize it. So let's see. First, we'll put the SD card, the mini SD card here. All right, and you can see it recognizes it. Untitled. All right, let's say we are on the road, on a hotel, in a cabin or whatever. Then we put the USB-A hard drive here. The extreme SSD is recognize it. Okay, so we have now here media, and we want this file. Okay, we want compress favorite move right here. Okay, so we need to move this file into the external SSD. Okay, and we can put it anywhere here. I'm keep looking because I have never done this before. All right, so here, let's open the external, the untitled DMC. Okay, external SSD. All right, looks like it's moving. You see that? It's been moving, this one. Okay, so let's time it. Let's start the timer. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here, the little thing here. All right, so let's see. I'm very interesting. That's 25 gigabytes from the mini SD into the hard drive. Also, just to let you know that I have done editing with the iPad, and I have export direct 4K editing direct to YouTube, and it worked perfect. You can see a couple of clips, and I'm talking about regular video. Well, it looks like it's almost done. It's amazing. This is like faster than my computer. and my computer is it's a very fast machine, you know, for video editing. So it's almost done. Look at that, 5 minutes. Let's see. Done. All right, so like 5 minutes something, 25 gigabytes. So imagine. All right, let's confirm they're in here. All right, extreme SSD. Okay, we move that from the mini SD right here, and this is temporary. All right, so let's see this one. So I called him on the phone and I'm like, this is my review of my 30 years old Harley Davidson. Go see it in a couple of videos back. But it's perfect. It's nothing wrong with that. It's like, you know, now you can do video editing or whatever you want to do with it. Alright, so look how fast the video is going. Alright. Done. Alright, try to figure out. Anyway, so this is it. I mean, you know, let's go to the USB-C port, connect to a USB-C charger to provide pass-through charging for your iPad Pro. Anyway, so, you know, I'm removing it. Removing the Sandisk Extreme I have here, and this is it. I mean, you know, 25 gigabytes in 5 minutes. That means 50 gigabytes in 10 minutes. In 20 minutes you can transfer 100 gigs into that. I don't think you're going to be shooting more than a day. I mean, we'll be shooting for like about 25 to 30 gigs in a day, me and Rose. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Give me a like so other people can see it. It's tricky good stuff for the motorcycle trips and tours you do, and subscribe. Thanks. See you later.